is Rajbir Gudia from Standard 8 in Kerwin English School, Karanj. I welcoming to our educational activity. So today we will present types of soil. First of all, I call upon Standard 8 Singh Roshni. So let's start.
I am Singh Roshni from Standard 8. My topic is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed due to the silt deposited by the rivers. It is sticky and dark in color. Alluvial soil is found in the large areas of the country. Alluvial soil is found in more than 50% in the area in Gujarat. The fertility of this soil varies from place to place, but in general, this soil is very fertile. Sugarcane, maize, paddy, millet, oilseed, etc. are grown in this soil. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Jairaj Stone from Standard 8. My topic is red soil. Red soil in this area found in ignores and metatropical rocks. Due to in iron, the other organized material appears in red. Going to deeper, it turns in yellow. The soil is regularly porous and fertile. Soil melting, cotton, wheat, jowar, groundnut, etc. potato are cultivated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bagadia from Standard 8. My topic is black soil. This soil is clayey and loamy. The moisture storage capacity of this soil is very high, and when moisture dries, fissures or crackers appear in it. This land is more suitable for cotton crop. That is why it became popular as black cotton soil. It is also known as regular. In this type of soil, linseed, groundnut, tobacco and pulses like urea are cultivated. Thank you.
Hi, myself Anupar. I am from Standard 8. Today I am saying some words of lateral soil. Due to excess rainfall, loamy soil is formed in areas of severe erosion. Due to excess rainfall, nutrients upper layer of the soil are eroded to the lower layer. Its red color is due to iron oxide. In some places, the land is uncultivable. When the upper surface dries up and harden, the soil is less fertile due to low organic content. But after fertilizing it, crops like cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew nuts are cultivated. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anushka Shukla from Standard 8. My topic is desert soil. These types of soil found in arid and semi-arid climate condition. The soil is sandy and less fertile. It has high content of soluble salt. With irrigation facilities, millet and jowar are grown in it. These types of land found in Gujarat, Haryana and South Punjab. In Gujarat, these types of land located in Saurashtra, Kutch and some areas of North Gujarat. Thank you.
I am from Standard 8. My topic is mountain soil. This soil is mainly found in the Himalayas. Is the type of the normal height parts of the Himalayas. Dead, pig, child, etc. 3 are found. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Gur Deepika from Standard 8. My topic is forest soil. This soil is covered with the fallen leaves of the trees, and the upper part of the soil become black due to increase in the amount of organic matter. As a result of decaying of the leaves, it turns red or brown at the bottom of the ground. Tea, coffee, spices, wheat, barley, paddy, etc. are grown in this soil. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Atul. I am from Standard 8. My topic is marsh and petty soil. This soil is formed by the accumulation of the organic matter in moist areas. The land is submerged during the rainy season, and paddy is cultivated in the land as water resides. It has an excess of alkaline and biological substance. This soil is found in very limited area in some regions. Thank you.
So thank you everyone watching our video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you.